What is going on, everyone? I am Guava, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use a BIMAP from the Guava library brought to you by Google for Java. So, a BIMAP, real quick, it's essentially a bidirectional map, which is a very fancy way of saying you can go back and forth with it. So, a map has a key and a value. You can only get your value. A BIMAP allows you to get your key as well as your value. It might sound confusing, so rather than explain it, we'll just get to showing you guys right off the bat. So you're going to want to import your Guava library. I'm going to leave a description. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys to go down and download it. Whatever IDE you're using, that's how you're going to have to install a library. If you're using IntelliJ like I am, you go over to File, Project Structure, and then you go over to Modulos. See right here I have it, it says Guava, but you would click this little green plus button all the way over here on the side next to the word Scope. You would click Jars or Directories. You would navigate to where it is, so let's say if I go to where my Java libraries are, Documents, Java Libraries, and let's say I wanna import JSoup or JSoup. I double click it, or click it in this case, not double, hit OK, and then it's imported. I would hit apply and then OK again, and then we're all set and ready to go. So to use a BIMAP, you have to type in BIMAP. That will auto import for IntelliJ, but if it doesn't auto import, it's import com.google.common.collect.bimap. So you want to do BIMAP, and then you want to use your diamond operators. Those would be your less than and greater than symbol, one after the other. And you're going to want to put the data types you're going to use. So for simplicity's sake, we're going to do string and a string. You want to name this BIMAP something, so we're going to call this name. Yeah, name. Okay, name. And then we're going to set this equal to a HashBiMap specifically. And you don't need the diamond operation. You need to do HashBiMap.create. There we go. This will make a BIMAP called name. So in order to use this, you have to put elements in it. So you want to do name.put. Now we're going to need your key and your value. So for name, I'm going to put first name as my value, or as my key. So we're going to do first name, and then my value is going to be onGuel, my name. And to use it, we're going to do system.out.println, and we're going to do name.get. This allows us to get the value, so onGuel. But in order to get onGuel, I have to use the key, which is first name. So inside the .get parentheses, I want to do a first name, exactly as it shows up as my key. Let's not do that. Thank you. First name. So this will print out to the screen onGuel, assuming I spelled it right. And it does. Right here, it prints out onGuel. There we go. Now, what makes a BIMAP, or in this particular case, a HashBiMap, so special is that we get the value, or we get the key using the value. So we do system.out.println again because we want to see what we get. We got to do name.inverse.get. And then we want to put onGuel, because now we want to get first name, like the phrase first name, our key. So we're going to do onGuel. Remember, you got to do name.inverse.onGuel. And if we run that, we have first name right down here. So that is how you use a BIMAP, more specifically a HashBiMap. I'm onGuel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.